Tired of those plain, boring WooCommerce emails? Let's fix that without touching a single line of code. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a custom canceled order for WooCommerce using EmailKit Pro, the best email customizer for WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to EmailKit on the sidebar and click on Add New Email Template. Give your template a name, and from the dropdown, select email type as WooCommerce email. Then select the canceled order templates. Now you'll see a selection of professionally designed templates to choose from. These are ready-to-use layouts, so you don't have to start from scratch. Pick the one that suits your brand best, and click Edit with EmailKit. You're now inside the EmailKit editor. This is where the fun begins. On the left, you'll find all the elements you need to build your email, from text blocks and images to buttons and dividers. You can customize anything. Update the text, adjust colors, swap out images. It's all in your control. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo or redo any change. And if you want to go back to the original version, just click Reset Template. Need to add a dynamic field? Simply copy a shortcode and paste it right where you need it. No extra setup required. You can even send yourself a test email to make sure everything looks just right before it goes live. Once you're happy with the design, hit save and then preview your email to check how it will appear in your customer's inbox. Don't forget the final step. Activate the template. And here's something really helpful. With EmailKit Pro, you can save your custom designs. Just click the Save as Template option, give it a proper name, and it'll be ready to reuse whenever you need it. No need to start over. That's it! You've just created a beautiful, custom WooCommerce email with EmailKit Pro in just a few minutes. If you want to check EmailKit out, check the description. Thanks for watching.